Pressure on the clay, carving our opinions. Whisper that I'm winning. Force it every day. Hide away from nothing. Screaming out for something. Don't know how to fool you no more. Miss the point in clear view. I'm sure maybe we should argue till we find a meaning. Back to the beginning, back to before. But you can't have it all.
Heard 1,000 lies, and I don't wanna take it, but they sound so nice. And I wonder where you've been, who you laying beside. Are you satisfied? And you know I don't need ya, but if you need me, let me know. I don't need you to be here, but if you want me, let it show. These days getting darker, darker, these nights getting longer, longer. No, you changing. We got stuck inside, and you get so passive aggressive, and I'd say some shit I regretted. We built up our walls just to burn them down. And you know I don't need ya, but if you need me, let me know. I don't need you to be here.
Makeup is done for day one. I had no idea what I was gonna do. I knew I wanted to do something purpley, so I just kind of threw on some pinks, purples. I threw on some Urban Decay blue eyeliner on my waterline, and then I threw on some Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I like the way that it turned out, and then we just like literally have glitter all over us, so that's always fun. It's really, really nice out. It's supposed to downpour rain. I know at home right now it is raining, so hopefully it holds off. It's like so sunny out here right now, and it's really nice, so hopefully it doesn't start like downpouring, because that would stink. They will keep performing if it rains, but if it's like thunderstorming, I believe they'll stop. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Pray it doesn't. Hoping. Let me show you the view from our room. So I showed a little bit last night in the tour of the room, but we have a really good view. It's really cool. We're like the 14th floor up. I am going to head out, and I will catch you guys at Moonrise. Rained out again. But this time we're not in there, we're stuck out here.
Yeah, ain't got no room.
It's not even thundering or lightning. Skies are literally clear as day.
We got a rainbow going on.
That's pretty. We're waiting so we can go back in, but so far we're chilling. But this sucks. We haven't seen one DJ, and it's what time? 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. I haven't seen one DJ yet. Oh, it's Jesus.
Shut up.
Jesus. Today is day 2. Yesterday we didn't get there until, what time did we get there yesterday? Not until later. And as soon as we got there, they evacuated, and we saw some lightning. We got rained on a little bit, but like nothing crazy. And then we were out for like 2 hours. It was absolutely ridiculous. And then when we got back in, it was like 8 o'clock. So we did see a couple, sorry, I was reading an update, but there was a couple DJs that we saw. We saw DJ Snake last night, Zed's Dead, Nightmare, and they were all really good. So it was good when we got back in. And then now it's about 4:30, and we just got updates. We didn't leave yet, obviously, but we just got updates that they evacuated again because it looks like it's gonna rain any second. Look at my big forehead. So we're gonna just kind of chill here until we get the updates that they let everybody back in, I guess. And we'll see, but it's not looking too promising. Today I did pinks and purples and oranges with the blue on the bottom. I went for that sunset look. Say hi, Becky. But my next video will hopefully be in the show, but we'll see.
Look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch.
mind my appearance right now, but we are about to leave. It's about 11 o'clock. Checkout's at 11. And then we're gonna drive home. So Moonrise was definitely good. We saw Excision last night, and I can't even like think right now. I'm like so drained, but it was so fun, and I'm ready to come back next year. Hopefully the weather is better, because we didn't get there yesterday until like, I don't even know, like 7 or 8. So hopefully the weather is better next year. If you liked this vlog, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.